Hello guys, welcome back. You are watching the series of Python for Selenium course. Today we're going to discuss about OOPS concepts. We'll start with the fundamental of OOPS, like a class. Today we're going to discuss about class. There are other core principles of OOPS as well. Like if you are already from Java background, you might already aware of abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. So let's discuss about OOPS. So in Python, you can uh, define the class with the class keyword and the class name. Let's say showroom. I'll take a variable called service. All like services. I take variable called service and I'll define some methods. Let's say Honda service. I'll just for now at time being I'll just print a console print statements. Honda service is available. If you remember earlier when we define any function, it has which is outside the class, we have not defined anything. But if it is defined inside the class, you must use the keyword called self. So let's say self. So I'll tell the purpose, like it's like a convention. This basically refer to instance of the class. As this will be like a first parameter of this function, which will refer to the class instances. So this you should remember. Um, let's say I'll take one more class, one more function. Sorry, let's say Suzuki. Again, self is a first argument. You can have n number of arguments here, but the first argument will be like a self print Suzuki service available. So let's um, so we have so far we have taken a class and inside the two methods and how to create object for the class. So if you are from Java, then you might create like showroom is equal to with the new keyword and showroom. So but in Python it's very simple guys. You just need to define the class name and assign it to the variable. So I taken the variable called my showroom, and showroom we are creating the object for the showroom class. So I'll call the functions my showroom dot Honda, and also I'll call Suzuki as well. Let's run and see. So the Honda service is available and Suzuki service is available. So if you want to call the service, you can just call it by my showroom dot You just need to print. So all bike services is printed. So that's it for this lecture, guys. Thank you.